30 tons 2x machine sample project introduction. In coastal regions, the fishing industry has a significant need for ice. To meet market demand, a 90-ton per day tube ice factory has been built. Guangzhou Ice Source Limited company designed a highly automated tube ice factory for the fishing industry. The project employed 3 30 tons tube ice machines featuring excellent stability, ample production capacity, and advanced automation. The refrigeration system adopts Germany brand Bitzer screw-type compressor, which is highly efficient, energy-saving, and always running stably. The external of the evaporator is wrapped with stainless steel, while the pipelines are wrapped with aluminum sheet, effectively reducing corrosion from fog, salt, humidity, ultraviolet rays, and ensuring the stable long-term operation of the equipment. Equipped with a screw ice conveying system, the equipment automatically transports ice to the cold storage for temporary storage. During off-peak hours of electricity, ice production can significantly reduce energy costs and provide ice lie at any time. Tube ice, due to its advantages of efficient cooling, purity, hygiene, and ease of operation, quickly gained a strong presence in the local market, bringing substantial economic benefits to the customer. With over 20 years of abundant experience in the refrigeration industry, Guangzhou Ice Source Company Ltd is committed to providing you with a full range of refrigeration services.